Hello my friends, so in this video what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to install the RStudio in Ubuntu, and I have noticed that a lot of times the RStudio is giving problems. It will say it's installed, but when you try to run it, it will give you some error because of some DLL library problem. Okay, so in this one, what we'll do, let's go to RStudio. And let's try to get the file that we need. Okay, so RStudio download. Okay, let's go to RStudio official website. Then where is product? So RStudio is what we need. Alright, RStudio desktop is what I want. Download RStudio for desktop and choose your current version. This is the one I need. I need the free version. That's all I really need. It requires R 3.0.1, so that's the version is compatible with. I know that in my system I have 3.6.1, so it should be compatible with my installed version. Now here, if you see, it does not say anything about the Ubuntu 19, and I do have the Ubuntu 19. So what I have to do, I have to download this one and see if this package is going to help me or not. So just let's see, let's try save the link as, and let's put in the downloads, see what happens. Okay, so it's not a huge file, it's only about 100 megabytes, so it should take only a couple seconds to download, and as soon as it's done. Now sorry about all the background noise, it's the coronavirus going on and I'm stuck at home with my kids. So let's see if it's downloaded. So it looks like it did get downloaded, so let's go to the downloads folder and see if we can install it. Alright, let's go to cd downloads, do a alias on it, see what we have. We do have that, so let's first try sudo apt install, and then our studio, it's not even picking up, so let's try sudo dpkg-i for install, then RStudio. Let's see if that works. Alright, so it's trying to do something. A lot of people, they told me there's a gdebi or gdebi package, something like that you need for this particular file installation. We'll see what happens in a minute. So it's right now it's trying to just unpack the RStudio, and then it will figure out if it has the capability to install it properly or not. Alright, so it's so far, so it says the package this is not installed. There's some problem for that. So let's see what happens. If it happens, I'm just going to pause the video for a second. And unfortunately, what we thought that it's going to encounter a problem, it did encounter a problem. And if you see the error processing package or studio, some package libxt-dev, it's not installed. So we need to do something about it. So let's see what we can do about it. Alright guys, and we're back. So what we'll try to do, we'll go back a little bit older version of the RStudio and see that somebody else said that worked in Ubuntu 19. So we're gonna run the wget command and see if that file actually helps us or not. So let's go back over here, run your wget. It should get another RStudio file which is a little bit older than the most recent one that we have, which is 1.25033, and we're going back to 1.21335. And since this guy said this one worked properly, we're just going to verify that it actually does. And again, sorry about the background noise. Alright, now we're just going to run the sudo apt-get install command, and let's see if that works. And no, it actually did not work. Recommend Argus 2.1.11, but it's not installed. How is it even possible? Because we do have that installed. So let's do some more research on it and then come back. Okay. Alright, what I'm really doing right now, I'm running a command to fix the broken install so I can get the clang. Like this was the file that was giving the stroke, right? So that I can get it. So that's the command that I ran. So what I'll do, probably I'll just go back to cd to our downloads folder. Okay, then sudo dpkg, then our studio. Let's get the latest version again and see if that can be installed this time, since we fixed the broken installation and now I should have this package available to me that is needed for our studio. Let's give it a second and see if it's working. Voila! So this time, this command that I ran, it seems like it installed just fine. Let's do a echo $? It says no error. So the next thing that I want to do, where you can actually get still problem, what happened to me before. So after looks like everything installed, when I try to open it, it wouldn't open. So that's what I'm going to verify. But this time, voila, it looks like it opened, and this is my favorite RStudio editor that I wanted. So let's try the same thing. 1 plus 1, 2, okay. 1 plus 2 is 3 here, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So it's all working. So if I want, I can create a new file, new R script. Here's my script. So 1 plus 1, and I can run this, and I get the output. So now I know that in Windows, in Ubuntu 2019, this version is still available. You really don't have to do too much. And I'll give you guys the history that I have, the command that I run to install it and configure it for me, and hopefully that will help you to solve some of the problems installing the RStudio in your Ubuntu system. Again, sorry for the background noise, but if you like it, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.